Harley down. Harley, sit.
Right, you know you have to give her a treat.
Oh yeah.